Hi students, in this video we are going to learn assertion reason questions from circle chapter. So assertion reason means two statements will be given to us. First we have to find them whether it is true or false. Then we have to choose any one of the option. That it means that if both assertion and reason are true, or is a correct explanation of A, or both A and are true but the reason is not a correct explanation of the statement A, or A is true but R is false, or A is false or R is true. Anything can happen to the question. We'll see this question. For example, assertion is given as in a circle of radius 6 centimeter. So there is a circle, the radius is 6 centimeter. The angle of the sector is 60 degree. So they have formed the sector that is 60 degree. Then the area of the sector will be 18 6 by 7 centimeter square. So we have to check whether the given answer is correct or not. For the sector, area of the sector, we have a basic formula. Area of the sector is nothing but a part of a circle. So theta by 360 multiplied by pi r squared is our formula. Let's substitute. In the place of angle, they have given us 60 by 360 multiplied by pi value 22 by 7. R squared, R value 6 is given. So 6 squared means 6 into 6 we can take it. So this 0 will get cancelled. 1 6 are 6, 6 6 are 36 and this 6 will get cancelled. Now the remaining terms, the numerator we have 22 multiplied by 6 and the denominator is 7 is given. So 2 6 are 12, balance 1, 2 6 are 12, 132 by 7. Here the given option is given in the mixed fraction. So let's do the mixed fraction for this number. So 132 by 7. 7 ones are 7. Balance 62. 7 eights are 56. Balance 6. So we have to write quotient, remainder by divisor. So here our quotient is 18, so given us correctly 18, remainder is 6 and the divisor is 7. So this is our divisor, this is our quotient and this is our remainder. So they have given the answer is correctly 18 6 by 7 centimeter square. So the assertion is correct. So assertion A is true. Reason, area of the circle with the radius r is pi r square. So the reason is a statement, you just identify whether it is true or false. So area of the circle is pi r square, the formula is given correctly, so the reason is also correct. So both the assertion and reason are true. Now we have to check whether the reason is a correct explanation for the assertion. So both are true means we have to go for the first two option. So both assertion and reason are true. Now R is not a correct explanation of A because assertion is true because of the formula area of the sector only we have checked. We have not used the formula of area of the circle. So we have to select the B option. Both are true but R is not a correct explanation of A is your correct one. Look at the next question. The length, assertion is given as the length of a minute hand of a clock is 7 cm. So there is a clock. The minute hand is 7 cm length. Then the area swept by the minute hand in 5 minutes is this. So in 5 minutes means if this is 12 and this is 1, the minute hand will move up to 1 in 5 minutes. So what is the area it covered in 5 minutes is our question. So the clock, it's divided by 12 numbers actually. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now the whole circle is 360 degree. Now the circle is divided into 12 parts. So in each one part will be what angle we have to identify because the angle is not given in the question. They ask us to find the area of the sector. So the angle will be 360 degree is actually divided by 12 in the clock. So it is 1 time, 3 time, 36, so 30 degree. So each number is consist of 30 degrees. So the angle is 30 we have to use. Now we'll find the area of this place. So area of the sector will be, the same formula again. Theta by 360 multiplied by pi r squared. Now theta value we got as 30 degree. Now 30 degree by 360 degree multiplied by pi value 22 by 7. Radius given as 7. So 7 into 7. The length of the minute hand, it's nothing but your radius only. So this 7 will get cancelled. This 0 will get cancelled. 3 table 1s are 12s are Again by 2 table, 6 are 11s are. Now the remaining number 11 into 7 is the numerator and denominator we have only 1, 6. So 77 by 6 we are getting. We'll go for the mixed fraction because the answer is given in the mixed fraction. 77 by 6. 1 6 are 6, balance 1, 7, 7, 6 2s are 12, balance 5. So we have to write quotient, remainder by divisor. Quotient is 12, remainder is 5, divisor is 6. So they have given the answer correctly. So the assertion is true. Whatever they have given is true. Now go for the reason. You just read the statement and identify whether it is true or false. The length of the arc of the sector theta and the radius are given by L is equal to theta by 360 into 2 pi r. Now this is a correct formula of length of the arc. Length of the arc is nothing but a part of a circumference of the circle. It's given as correctly. Theta by 360 into 2 pi r. So both are correct. But the first question we didn't use the formula of this one to find the answer. We have used the another formula sector. So both are true. But the second one is not a correct explanation of the first option. Again we should take the second one. Both are true, but R is not a correct explanation of A. Again, B option is your correct option. Look at the next question. The circumference of the two circles are in the ratio 2:3. Then the ratio of their areas 4:9. Now the circumference ratio given as 2:3. Now we need to check whether the area ratio is 4:9. The circumference ratio, let us take C1 is to C2 is equal to 2:3. Then we are going to check area 1 is to area 2. First circle and second circle we are just segregating by 1 and 2. Now circumference of the circle formula 2 pi r. Now for the first circle let us take 2 pi r1. For the second circle let us take it as 2 pi r2. So anything which is given in the ratio form can be represented as a fraction form. A is to B can be represented as A by B, which is equal to 2 by 3. Now this 2 pi and this 2 pi will get cancelled because they are constants. Now the radius will be 2:3 only. Now let's apply here. Area formula pi r1 squared by pi r2 square. Pi value will get cancelled again. R1 squared by R2 squared we can write it as R1 by R2 the whole squared we can take. R1 by R2 value we got it here 2 by 3. Now let's substitute here 2 by 3 the whole square. So 2 by 3 the whole square will be 2 squared will give you 4 and 3 squared will give us 9. So 4:9 we are getting the value correctly. When the circumference is 2:3 the area value will be 4:9. It's a correct answer. Now look at the assertion statement is true actually. The circumference of the circle is 2:3, then the area is 4:9 is a true. Then look at the reason. If the circumference of the circle of radius r is 2 pi r, circumference formula 2 pi r and its area formula pi r squared. So the reason also correct. This is a formula we have used here to find the answer for the assertion. So both are true. Also the reason is a correct explanation of the assertion. So which option we should select? We have to select the first option. Both A and R are true and R is a correct explanation for the A. So first option is a correct option. Thank you for watching. Like our video, subscribe our channel for more videos.